So today we're going to learn how to do straw weaving. So for this craft in your kit, you get 3 plastic straws, a wood stick, a bundle of 3 yarn pieces, and 1 little ball of yarn. You will need scissors and tape. We suggest masking or painter's tape, just a stronger tape because you want it to hold the straws in place once you begin weaving. So to start, you're going to want to tape together the ends of your straws. Just one end is fine. So you'll wrap the tape around like that. Next, you're going to want to take the 3 yarn pieces and put them through each of the 3 straws. This can sometimes be difficult to push the yarn through the straw, so that's what the wood stick is for. The wood stick is to guide the yarn down to the end of the straw so that you can grab it and pull it through. Once you do that, you're going to want to knot together the yarn that is at the taped end of the straws. Then you can tape the entire thing down to the table or your workspace at the taped end, and we can start weaving. To start weaving, you're going to want to take one end from the ball of yarn that you have, and you're going to tie it to the top straw in a knot. So you're going to double knot it around that first straw. Then you can start weaving. So we'll go underneath the middle straw, over the bottom straw, and then around the bottom straw, over the middle straw, and around the top straw at the other side. And so up close you can see it kind of looks like this, over, under, over, under, over, under, and around. So then you're just going to repeat that process, weaving down the length of the straws. Every 3 or 4 weaving lines, just try to push the yarn towards the tape and gently pull to make sure all the loops are snug. Here's another up-close view so you can kind of see the over and under pattern that you'll be following down the length of the straws. Once it's as long as you want to make it, you're going to want to cut your yarn and then tie a single knot, not a double knot, around that last straw that you stopped on. Then remove all the tape and you'll pick up the straws and push the yarn towards the knotted end. once the woven loops are pushed off the straw, you can tie the unknotted end together. If it comes loose or is misshapen in any way, you can just smush it back together when you lay it flat on the table. And then there you have it. You have now created a bracelet or a bookmark or whatever you want to use it for, a headband maybe. And that's it. That's straw weaving.